Parents, we all know how exciting it is for our children to go off to college and start a new chapter in their lives. From shopping for dorm room decorations to exploring their new campus, there's so much to look forward to. However, it's also important to ensure that our children are prepared for any unforeseen circumstances while they are away at college. In this video, I'll be discussing the items that you can include in your child's emergency kit and why these are important. First, it's important to include a first aid kit in your student's emergency kit. Accidents can happen at any time, and having basic medical supplies on hand can make all the difference in an emergency. You can purchase pre-made first aid kits, or you can create your own with items like bandages, gauze, antiseptic wipes, and pain relievers. Secondly, it's important to include a flashlight with extra batteries. In the event of a power outage or other emergency, having a reliable light source can be essential. What's even better would be a rechargeable solar flashlight with USB ports and an AM/FM radio. The solar flashlight can be charged using solar power, and the USB ports can be used to charge your students' electronic devices. The AM/FM radio can also be used for communication and staying up to date on important news and information. Another important item to include in your student's emergency kit is a whistle. A whistle can be used to signal for help if your student becomes lost or trapped. It's a simple yet effective tool that can make all the difference in an emergency. Next, it's important to include a multi-tool in the emergency kit. These tools can be incredibly useful in a variety of situations, from opening cans and bottles to cutting through rope or fabric. Make sure your student knows how to use the multi-tool before they head off to college or university. Another important item to include is a portable charger for your student's electronic devices. In the event of a power outage, having a charged phone or laptop can be essential for staying in touch with family and friends or accessing important information. Lastly, it's important to include a supply of non-perishable food and water. In the event of an emergency, your student may not have access to food and water for an extended period of time. Make sure to include items like granola bars, canned goods, and bottled water in the kit. If they have canned food, make sure they have a manual can opener and practice using it before leaving for school. Creating an emergency preparedness kit for your student who is off to college is an important step to ensure their safety and well-being. Include a first aid kit, flashlight with extra batteries, whistle, multi-tool, portable charger, and non-perishable food and water. With these items on hand, your student will be better prepared for any unforeseen circumstances that may arise. Thank you for watching and stay safe.